everyone! Today I will show you how to make very popular appetizer called deviled eggs or stuffed eggs. This appetizer is very popular in Europe and North America. This dish originated in ancient Rome and originally was served with a very spicy sauce, hence the name deviled eggs. Nowadays there's a lot of different deviled eggs recipes. My recipe includes traditional ingredients: caramelized onion, mayo and mustard. You can find full list of ingredients in the description of this video. Okay, let's get it done. Step number 1. We will need hard-boiled eggs. I normally boil them in an instant pot using the 5-5-5 method. Dice onions finely. Put onions in the hot skillet with some oil. In order to caramelize onions, you need to fry them on a low heat for about 30 to 35 minutes. Be patient, it takes a while. Step number 2. When onions are ready, let them cool down. Cut each egg in half and separate egg yolk in a separate bowl. Now, we need to create filling paste. Using the fork or spoon, mash all egg yolks with salt, pepper, mustard, mayonnaise and lemon juice. Combine all really well. Paste should be really smooth. You might need to adjust quantities of mayonnaise and mustard to bring it to the right taste and consistency, or add a few drops of water to make it smooth. Now you can mix the onion with the paste and our filling is ready. Step number 3. Using pastry or dessert decorator, start filling the eggs with the paste. You can also use Ziploc bag, fill it in with the paste, make a small cut on the corner and push the paste out. Do sprinkle some paprika. Optionally, you can decorate it with some herbs. It is an amazing appetizer for any event or party. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.